Welcome back to Pro Chef Academy. So today, what I'm going to do today, been asked a question again by one of my subscribers, but it's basically about a technique for the presentation of fish. And it's about deboning a whole trout, but leaving it whole, a bit like you would with a chicken if you're going to do a galantine. So I'm going to try and answer this question. So by answering this question, I'm going to do a demo. So here you can see here we have a beautiful trout, whole trout here, okay, which we picked up. It's already been gutted here, the gill's been removed and stuff like that. So this is our starting point. So what we're going to do here, first of all, is I'm just going to remove some of the fins here, like that, just to make it a little bit easier when we go to work. Like that. Rainbow trout is a beautiful fish. We can tell that this one is farmed. We can tell it's farmed because obviously the colour of the flesh there is just a little bit pinker, pink, or orangey there, than kind of reddish. That's down to the feed and stuff like that. But that's the first stage anyway. What we need to do is we need to take out the backbones there, okay, either side, and then take out the little rib cage bones. But again, essentially we want to leave this whole. Okay, so what we're going to try and do here, the first part here is we just need to split down either side down to the tail here. So I'm going to put my knife in, and then just run your knife down along, and I will show you then what I'm doing as I go along here. Okay, so I've made a little incision there first of all, okay, and then what I'm going to do is you kind of want to hold it, and you want your backbone here, you just want to come to either side, so the right side, then the left side, so you cut just to one side of the backbone, and you just want to go down about a quarter of an inch down along the backbone. So you're clicking along all the bones there, along the center, there like that. Okay, so we can see here, alright. And then come to the other side, and again then kind of hold it firmly. And this is beautiful here, preparation there, if you want to stuff this, and obviously don't want all the hassle with the bones there. So okay, so we have like that there, we have both sides, just run this just a little bit. There, that side there, just once more. And what we want to do then, you just want to snip if you can. So we're cutting the bone at both ends here, like that. Okay, so I've cut, as you can see, at the front, and I've cut at the end. So what we're going to do then with my knife then is just underneath, I just free the backbone, like so. Okay, and then here. You're taking out the spine basically. Okay, so that's that out there like that. We'll just leave that to one side there. We just check it then, and then we just any bones that we kind of might have missed. I'm just going to take another little bit there. Okay, so I'm just going to show you, just stop there for a second, and I've just tidied up the centre, just taken all those bones out so it's nice and free. There's no bone. Remember there on the wee dorsal fin there at the back, the bones can protrude a little bit deeper into the flesh there. So you just take the scissors there and you just nip them off just to make them flush there. What you want to do is you want to make sure that we don't cut through the skin, and that's what we've done there. So once the backbone or the spine has been removed, the next thing you want to do is you have some little rib bones there at either side that we want to take off. So again there, we just start there and you put your knife in and we run it up along just underneath the bone there, and we just want to free that bone very gently, working your way out like so. Okay, just like that there. Like that. Alright. We just take that off there. Just trim that up. There's one set of the rib cage bones. Like that. We just turn it over And then we do the other side again, just putting your knife in just underneath the bones, and then letting the knife, a flexible bladed knife dedicated for this. And like I said, if you angle up underneath the bones, they will keep you right. So you just take them off there like that. Okay, just take those off as well. So that's our rib cage off either side. Now what you will see here, and if I can go as close as I can. Okay, I'm going to show you these little rib cage bones that are now protruding up. Okay, and you can also help there to help show them off is use the back of your knife and run your knife along the back, and that kind of flicks them up. We're going to remove those as well. Now some people like to wait until they have it cooked, but anything I can do beforehand to make presentation and obviously make the job easier at the end of the day, I will do. So I'm going to show you a close up of that now in a second. Okay, so I'm just going to take you in close here, just to show you those little rib bones, and we can see them here like that. You can see those there just like that. I'll come back in there a little bit. Okay, so what you see, they're all pricked up. Remember, when we pull them, we want to pull them towards the head so we don't break up this tender flesh. So you just come along with your tweezers, and it'll come out like that. There's another one. Okay, so I'm going to continue on now, and then I will show you the finished fillet of trout in 2 seconds here. Okay, so this is just the final presentation of our trout, which we have deboned. We also taken the spine out there, but it's still whole. So you can see all the rib cage, the spine, all the little pin bones have been taken out. We can leave the head on, or we can take off the head. Again, it's for as the presentation as you desire. We turn the fillet over, and then if I turn it just this way, and then as you can see, we have a beautiful fillet of trout, still intact, ready for stuffing or for grilling. Great for a barbecue, great for stuffing and baking, whatever preparation you would like. Easy to do, quick presentation, looks fantastic. So I hope this answers the question that was posed by one of my subscribers. Thank you very much for your question. Again, if you have any more questions, I would love to hear them, and if I can help and answer, whether it be verbal or whether it be a video, I can do it. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel, and I'm pushing for that 1,000 subscribers, so I would love you to join me on my journey in this channel and developing this channel. So Pro Chef Academy, thank you for watching today, and we'll speak to you soon again. So there we have our boned out trout, still whole, ready for presentation. So speak to you soon again, and thanks for watching.